Hi. What's up, dudes? I'm good. How are you? No pranks yet. Good, good. Oh, got another one. No. Decline. I am drinking LaCroix. What are you drinking? Hey. Oh, it's like sparkling water flavored thingy. No. Sorry, I keep hanging up on people. They keep calling me. Oh, no. Yeah, no, it's good. It's all right. Yeah, dude. I guess so. What is happening? What is callpizzahut.com? What is that? Um, who is that? No. Hi. You don't know? Boy, you better tell me now. I don't like secrets. What is it? Why would you put in your bio if you don't know what it is? Silly. Silly. Right. Someone go to that frickin' website and tell me now. Is it an actual Pizza Hut website or is it just like a fake website? Sneezes, what's up? Sure. Gimme. Gimme. Bro. Oh, thank you. Whatever, dude. No. Decline. You're an awesome broadcaster. I broadcast? What? Is that? That's not nice. No, he's not, dummy. You're an awesome broadcaster. What do I broadcast? Burps? I can broadcast burps, I guess. You mean TikToker? What's up, girl? What are you doing today? Let's see. Oh, it's Thursday. You're probably working. Or not working. When you should be working. LaCroix. I'm a LaCroix bitch now. Do they have LaCroix at Costco? Like a flavor pack or something? Thank you, Mr. King Flounder. Tangerine? Oh, I got that berry going on. Chinese food? Oh, yes, you're right about that. Does sound good. Tangerine? I don't know. That's probably not the flavor I would go to, but I bet there are worse flavors. What's the best one? Ooh, you like berry? Okay. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Oh, okay. Do they have like a variety pack at Costco? Well, that's cool. I think Target has a lot of different flavors. Key lime. Uh, I don't know. Key lime. All right. I'll try it one time. One time. That's like my favorite. That's my least favorite White Claw is the frickin' lime. Limoncello? They have a limoncello flavor LaCroix? Shoot. One day I'm gonna have my own drink. The Kimmy Cola. The claw. I'll drink the mango over some of those other flavors they have. Faux show. I need to, what, smoke? I've never tried a White Claw. Marty, you might like it. I don't know. Do you like sparkling water? You might like it. Ooh, the black cherry is good. Oh, I will. I will. One day. Okay, sure, dude. I like, Marty, I feel you there, bro. I feel you there. I like beer too. But I'll tell you what, that White Claw is pretty good. It's got, what, zero sugar or something? Zero sugar, no. Fuck. Who cares, bro? It's kind of like Michelob, okay? Basically. I'm on that beer. I'm taking a break. I gotta focus this month. I'm actually going to London. I'm gonna film with Guinness, bro. I can't wait. Oh my god. Dude. What should we do? Should we prank some people? So yeah, they're gonna be filming me, and I'm just like, I need to take a break from that shit, dude. Hell yeah. Oh my god, I can't wait. They're like, we're gonna take you around London and we're gonna show you all the best places and we're gonna film you the whole time and you get to burp all these cool places. I was like, what? Dude, I can't wait. Guinness beer. Okay. We're talking about something else. You want that beer shit? Okay. What's up, anime? Should we prank some people? I've never been to London. I'm so excited to go there. Thanks, Xtina. Thanks, Marty. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, we're talking about the interview that I'm doing with Guinness. They want to film me while I'm in. Oh, hey, Austin. What the hell ever? On one, I guess. Like that Fergie song? Shoot, London Bridge is falling down, bitch. Fergie. The best burping girl. Aww. Our girl made it. Not yet. Just stay tuned, okay? Just stay tuned. Cheers to me, LaCroix. Anime, you are not allowed. I will mute you. I will fucking mute you, bro. You've been warned. Art, you always ask this. It was like, the other day, like a week ago. Dude, you think it'll be that long? I don't think it'll take that long. I don't think it'll take that long. Me too, bro. So much filming. No, we'll see what happens. Thanks, dude. Or bro, chick, person. Thank you. Yeah. I don't really talk. I just burp. Huh? Like the MTV's The Challenge or something different. They did like a Netflix thing. I started watching it and I was like, this is so dumb. Oh, so you are talking about the Netflix one. Filmed last February but released in November. I heard something like that person that actually won hasn't even been paid yet. Bro, I don't know. Thank you. Yeah, I watched the first episode and I was like, this is like I thought it was literally gonna be a season 2 of the original series, and I was about that. I was like, I mean, I guess let's do this again. Like they set it up for a second one. No, I don't think they even got paid in November. Like I think they're still waiting for the money. I don't know. Man, I don't know. All that shit is just trash. Duval, how are you, buddy? No, I think they were supposed to win money, and the person said, like, where's my money? I don't know, you're gonna have to Google it. I think they came forward and they spoke up, and they're like, yeah, like to the press, and they were like, where's my fucking money? Yeah, dude, how much was it? Anime, was it 84 million? How much was it? I don't even. Like, where do you even just, like, here's this money for this game show. Like, how does it just, like, poof out of nowhere? Like, how does that happen? Oh, four. Okay, 4 mil. 4.5 mil. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't watch it, so. I hate the way they hype up someone. Ooh, okay, no, actually, let me start over. I kind of do like it because you try to give everyone attention, but they hype those people up so much, and then you just turn around and then you see them die, and you're like, all right, next person, I guess. Like, it's funny the way they did that. I don't know. You should watch the original. I did. Anime is so much better. That's why I was disappointed because I thought they were doing a season 2 of that. Instead, we got this challenge thing, and I was like, pfft. What is my main message to haters? I can't be bothered. Thank you. Can you burp the name Mike? I can. Mike. I know you want a big loud one. I'm just goofing. Okay. It's just like, I mean, it's gotta be kind of similar to just drinking water, right? I'd actually rather drink water I mean, what's so bad about this? I don't know. Yes. That wasn't a big one, but yes. Mike. That's cool. Mike. I'm always doing something stupid, I swear. Like, oh my god. Who am I? I accidentally opened 2. Oh. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. I feel like the even harder part would be to have to keep your mouth shut. that you're the winner. That's gotta suck. Yeah, I don't... Oh, okay. That's crazy, man. Came out through my nose. Can you do 5 in a row? Nah. Make yourself sneeze on camera. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to make myself sneeze on camera, although that burp almost it tickled the inside of my nose, almost did make me sneeze. Someone was like, get sneezing powder, but come on, man. Like, my sneezes are so bad. Like, I can barely breathe in between them, and I don't want to force myself to do that. Do the loudest burp you can. Of course I will. Literally waiting a year to receive millions of dollars. You gotta be... I know. Burp Howie Mandel. I already burped Howie Mandel. He's my bestie. He's my bestie now. Anime, I was on his live the other night. Oh, I think I told you. But he like immediately saw me and he was like, burp queen? Where's the burp queen? And he was like going, I was like, ah! And I like dipped out and left because I was like, there's no fucking way I'm ruining, you know, the shit I got going on right now. Like, I was scared as shit. And then he answered somebody that called him that was like a really like, it was a chick, you know, and he was like, hello, are you the burp queen? And she was like, no. I was like, oh my god, I have to leave like right now. This is so embarrassing. No, he didn't call me. He wanted me to call him. He had his like request thing on. I was like, maybe another time. Because they're filming right now, I think, in America for this whatever show that they're doing that you told me to watch. Right? So, or no, we just talked about this. They probably filmed that months ago. Anyway, I'm excited to film with Guinness. I wonder if I'm gonna meet the other burper, the male that held the world record before Neville. He lives in the UK. They like to do collabs like that, so I'm kind of wondering. And for them to just be like, we're gonna take you around London, bro, what? And we're gonna burp at all the sites. Do you think I can burp on one of those guards that wear the fuzzy hats? What's the deal with those guys? That makes sense because it airs once a week, maybe twice, I don't know. 2 fuzzy hats with the fuzzy hats. with the fuzzy hats. I don't know what they're called. They're just called the guards. I'm gonna burp on them. The Royal Guards, Miss Marty, let's go. She knows what's going on. I need to do some research. Bread, what's going on, homie? Arthur! One cig? No, dude. No. I wish. Oh, I wish. Don't start. Please. Yes, anime. That dude right there. That dude, I'm burping on him. Miss you too, Brad. LaCroix. Yes, I'm a LaCroix girl now. Okay, Road Warriors. Brad, you got a new house? Is it a gingerbread house? Ha! I can't spell. I can't either. $100 to smoke a cigarette? Did you hear that, Miss Marty? Congratulations on your new gingerbread house. You ain't doing shit, okay? You ain't doing 100. You ain't doing 10. You ain't doing nothing. I can burp really loud. I've just been kind of goofing around. Do you guys want to goof on some people? Bread. Congratulations, bro. Are you gonna do a video of your grand tour? Or something like that? We all want to see, I think. Sweet. You think Napoleon Dynamite will answer if I call him? Bread, I don't even... Well, dude, congratulations, man. That's like a huge, huge accomplishment that you bought a house, bro. TMI. What the fuck, bro? Yeah, I bet. Yeah, Brad, you better. Is it like, you know, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom house? Is it a 2 bedroom, a 3 bedroom house, a 4 bedroom house? I meant like what I meant by 1 bedroom is single level, or is it? Fuck it, who cares? Kimmy, you know, yes, anime. What was that? I just want to try to call Napoleon before I go. But I think he's busy. He never calls me. 1 bedroom is basically an apartment. Yes, friend, yes. That's why I laughed at myself. Sometimes you just have to learn to laugh at yourself. I'm here for my own amusement. Luigi. course, dude.
Luigi.
Oh, it's Maxine. Hey, Max. Hey, Maxie. Hello, Kevin. How are you, buddy? What's good?
Luigi.
Luigi, your name is just the worst one to burp. I'm just kidding. I'm here for Kimmy. Aww. What's up, dude? How is your 2024 going so far?
Luigi.
What's up? Challenge. 10 burps in a row. Challenge. Take a breath of air. Crazy. Like I said, that's like not a challenge. You have news. What's up? Spill the beans. We want to know. Well, that's a cool name. Thank you for the follow. Shh. Freaking basement. What? No freaking way. I know, right? I burped like a world record holder, I think. Thank you, champ. That's right. No way, Kevin. I can't wait. You could subscribe to my YouTube. I think it's cheaper, honestly. No, actually, I think I lowered the price for this one on here. It's not $5.99 or whatever it is anymore. It's like $2.99, I think. But you guys don't you guys don't have to subscribe. Cool. I didn't bring my laptop down, so we're not listening to music anymore, and my house is just creaking. So, damn, you burped. Yep, we already read that comment. So, what's everybody up to today? Luigi. Thank you. Sure. Oh, you know who has off today? Who hasn't been in here yet? Another subscriber. Actually, wait. Actually, it's been a long time. Maybe he doesn't have off today. Oh. What? Ooh. Sorry, I'm reading a tweet. A Twitter. I could if I like used one of my natural burps and held it in. Are you talking like deep like that? Yeah, you are. Anyway, guys, it's been kind of boring today for me.
Luigi.
Oh, I see. Oh, it's a quick invite. That's what Shu's doing. He's just tapping buttons instead of scrolling down and just clicking someone. fun. It was different. It was I'm just like worried that like maybe I'm gonna look like stupid. That's all. Um, I don't know. I feel like it was kind of rushed. I feel like, well, no hate on them or whatever, because I know, like, I guess, oh, what's up? Yes. Anyway, it was just kind of rushed, and I felt like maybe if we had taken more time. But he was a last minute, like they found him last minute to do the filming, and he was like, "Did you know this was gonna happen today?" And I was like, "Oh, I gave them a date, and I think they just were like, we're just gonna find anybody." And I don't know, man, but they were like, "Oh, he said he'd worked for them before." He said he'd. I don't think I can say it on here, but it has to do with mermaids. Okay, bro. That was fun. I should have let him spell it out. I kind of should have let him just spell it out. Hey, Chris. Thanks for stopping by. Chris. And it was an experience though. I when I see the videos that the other videos they've made, I'm like, um I can see how, since it's like a short thing, that it could turn into something cool, but we'll see. We'll see what they come up with. I don't really know. Yo, hey. No, not really. How are you, buddy? Thank you for the roses. Are you the freaking title gifter for the roses now? I could have reset, or I could have added a freaking category, but yeah, I'll share it with you guys. It's like, depending on how I look, I might not share it with anybody else. Oh man, the comments are just gonna be so bad, dude. Like I don't think I'm gonna be able to I don't think I'm gonna be able to read those comments. Just like, oh man. Yeah, I know, that's why I did it. Cranberry Sprite LeBron! I'll drink your ass. Better watch out. I love me that cranberry Sprite. They don't do that anymore, I don't think. It's that winter spice crap. It sucks. I'm good, Nelson. How are you? No piercings for me. I'll stick with tattoos. And like maybe some more ear piercings. I'm good though. You're drinking right now? I got that LaCroix. I gotta focus this month. I can't be getting wasted. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Napoleon. Come on, dude. Oh well. I've never gone live with him anyway. I don't know expect why he's I don't know what I'm expecting. you got cute, pretty toes. Thank you. I always used to hate my toes. People always used to make fun of them, and they were like, oh, they're freaking long, and their fingers, they're not toes. And yeah, I just hate my feet, honestly. I don't like my feet, but you have to take care of your feet. You know why? Because they take care of you. Or something like that. I gotta get my nails done. I might get a haircut. Happy Thursday. Thank you. Burping talent. Salvio. Thank you. I'm back, bro. Just in time for what are you guys up to on a freaking middle of the day on a Thursday? Wait, I don't know. Are you guys in America? Where's everybody from? I'm assuming you guys are in America. I don't know where you guys are. I guess LaCroix brings the burps. I wonder what happens if you chug a LaCroix. I wonder what happens for me if I chug a LaCroix. I don't care about anybody else. What is it, like the same as like the Sprite? Probably not, because it doesn't have the acidic shit in it. This is literally just like sparkling water. Thanks, buddy. Oh, this is really cool. No one's calling me. I was gonna like prank some people, but no one's calling me right now, so. Might just hang it up. Call it a day. I got some shit to do. I could call somebody, but I don't like calling people. It's just like, it's just not me. That is not me. I'm not gonna go through this list and boom, 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 or hit quick invite. So cringe. People do that though because they want to battle. They care about that. Like, unless, like, I don't understand why the small creators are so focusing on battling on here. It's like so cringe. So cringy. Like, what are you holding on to that $1 you just made? Like, damn, bro. Shoe size are you? I'm an 11. Fucking, I am Sasquatch. Sasquatch. What's his name? Oh, no, that Bigfoot. That is his name, Sasquatch or whatever. Kevin, you did subscribe? No way! Oh my gosh, I gotta chug my drink. For subscribing, I have to chug the whatever drink but yeah, I'm out of LaCroix. I'm out of Beverage, so. Dude, thank you so much, Kevin. Oh my gosh. I don't think, it says I have 4 subscribers, but I don't think I do. Thank you. Oh my gosh, you have the Gimme badge now. Yay! Yes, it is so big. My feet are so big. And it's really hard to find shoes. Like, I usually have to order that. Like, if I see shoes I like in the store, usually they'll only go up to like a size 10. And they'll be like, oh, we can order. And I'm like, okay. What flavor? It's berry. Are you talking about the LaCroix? Thank you, Kevin. You just made my day, buddy. I appreciate the support. That's amazing. And it looks so good next to your name. Yay! That's for you, Kevin. I am Bigfoot, exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's not a joke. Toby! Where's Dipper? Where's Dipper? Let's battle. Let's battle dips. I'm lagging? Oh well. I am definitely Bigfoot though, for sure, for sure. Hey Toby, where's Dipper? Let's battle. Let's battle Dippy. Dippy. Thank you, Kevin, for the team bracelets. I'm like 5'9", 5'10". I'm like pretty freaking tall, dude. I'm telling you, man. Yeah, the LaCroix, it's berry. It's like pink, purple, whatever. Oh, thank you. They're all messed up right now. Thank you, Kevin. I really appreciate all the team bracelets. And I love the Kimmy badge. Thank you. I can't even believe I have another subscriber on here. That's crazy. Yay! You will battle dips at 3. Okay. I probably won't be on. I gotta go to my dad's house. Well, be safe, Toby. Shit. You don't need to be out in the storm unless you're going to work or something. Hey, Justin. Freaking crazy. You try to get some cool footage with Marvin. That's such a Jeep name, Marvin. How many rubber ducks do you have? Good old Marvin. I don't think my TV is a smart one. Tracy, you're funny. I know, right? Shoot. What can you do? Good old Marvin. Starving Marvin. I can burp. Hi. Is your name Zaid? You too, Tracy. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, dudes, I think I'm about to bounce in a little while. I thought I saw Shoe Nice. Oh, he is, but he's not going live with anyone right now. Yeah, that makes sense. He's going through it right now. Yerp. Yerp, 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 yerp. Poor Shuey. See you later, Marty. I think I'm gonna bounce too. Can you burp louder than ever? Hell yeah.